In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to Navigation Squarespace 7.0. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new page and place it in your site's main menu so visitors can find it easily. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side of the screen for the home menu. Click Pages. This is your control center for everything that shows up in your site's navigation, as well as pages that are hidden or still in progress. At the top of the Pages panel, you'll see a section labeled Main Navigation. This area controls the links that appear in your site header, what most people think of as the top menu. Make sure you're working inside Main Navigation and not in other sections like Not Linked, since pages in Not Linked won't appear in your menu. Inside Main Navigation, click the plus icon to add something new. When you do, Squarespace opens a panel with different page types. You'll see options like blank page, blog, or store. A blank page is perfect for a simple static page, like about or services. Choose blog if you plan to publish posts with dates and categories, and choose store if you're selling products and want built-in commerce features. What you pick here sets up the structure, but you can customize the content later. After you choose the page type, give your page a clear title. This title becomes the label in your navigation, so keep it short and descriptive. Don't worry, you can always rename it later if you change your mind. Once you confirm, Squarespace automatically creates the page and places it in your main navigation. You'll see it appear right away in the list on the left, and it will also show up in your site's header preview. If the new page isn't in the spot you want, click and drag it within main navigation to reorder your menu. As you drag, you'll see a guide showing where it will land. Drop it in place, and Squarespace updates the menu instantly. This is a great time to think about the order of your links from most to least important so visitors can find what they need quickly. That's all there is to it. Open Pages, add a new page from main navigation, pick the right type, name it, and drag it into the perfect position. When you're done, give your site a quick preview to confirm the new link looks right on desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching, and happy building.